Across the earth, then left no name. The rain has washed the morning clean, and the green remembers everything. No one is watching. No one needs to know. Five quiet waters hold the sky. Each one keeps a different silence. We are only passing through, and the forest lets us. A broken branch, a softened print, a breath still hanging in the air. Nothing here is asking us to understand, to stay, to leave. No one is watching. No one needs to know. Five quiet waters hold the sky. Each one keeps a different silence. We are only passing through, and the forest lets us. Let it be unspoken. Let it stay alive. The way the wet leaves hold the morning a little longer. Something walked here. Something breathes here. Still. Where the green mountains meet the deep blue sea, wild brown bears and the eagles flying free, orcas in the water dancing through the tide, coexisting with the life we hold inside. The ocean meets the mountain high. Silence bleeds into the sky, where the ancient forest breathe peaceful shadows underneath. No more noise and no more chase, frozen in this sacred place. Let the cold wind blow away every word we had to say. Just a whisper in the air, endless mountains standing there. Tomorrow can wait, just let it go. Standing still, wild and free, the eagles soar, touching shores of Okhotsk floor, a beautiful distance from the crowd, where the silence screams out loud. Let it go. Shiretoko breeze, just